Hey everyone, Jira automation is the essential engine for scaling your team's productivity. By using a simple when, if, then logic, you can remove manual busywork, reduce human error, and ensure your workflow stays consistent across software, service, or business projects. Step 1. Locate the entry point. We are starting with the visual shortcut. We do this to bypass the deep settings menus and access automation directly from where you are already working. Navigate to your active sprint board or backlog. In the top right corner of the board view, look for the lightning bolt icon. Click the icon to open a drop-down. You will see two main options, a list of existing manual rules, if any, and a link to manage automations. Step 2. Start a new rule. Now we are entering the Rule Builder. This interface allows you to define the logic without writing a single line of code. Select Manage Automations from the dropdown. This will launch the automation dashboard. Click the blue Create Rule button in the top right. Step 3. Configure your when, if, then logic. We are performing the core setup. In 2026, Jira has streamlined the rule chain so you can visually see the flow of your automation as you build it. Select your starting event. If you want a rule you can click yourself, select Manual Trigger. Otherwise, choose an event like Issue Transitioned. Add a filter to narrow the scope, such as If Priority equals High. Define what Jira should actually do, like send Slack message or assign to lead developer. Step 4. Name and enable. We are finishing with the deployment. This finalizes the rule and puts it into an active state. Give your rule a descriptive name like Auto-Assigned Urgent Bugs. Click Turn on Rule. If you used a manual trigger, go back to your board and click the lightning bolt again. Your new rule will now appear there, ready to be run on any issue you select with a single click. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.